How to upload to SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can upload to SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you are an artist or maybe an aspiring musician or maybe something like that, and then you would like to upload the music that you have built into SoundCloud. It's very simple to do so. Open up your browser and just search for SoundCloud. You'll find a search result, but don't click on it. You want to just click the another option here that says upload. So you want to make sure to look for the upload icon. In case you don't find this, also don't worry, because I will make sure to go ahead and then leave a link below as well. So you can see upload is only supported on the mobile apps. So what we want to do is just go ahead and open or get the app option. We will open the SoundCloud application on our device here. So let me also go ahead and download, and let us wait until this installation process has been basically complete. So as you can see, the application has been successfully downloaded. So we're going to open it up, and after you've done that, just make sure to sign into your SoundCloud account. And once you sign into your SoundCloud account, you'll be able to see the upload option if you want to upload something by tapping the upload icon here, tapping on OK, and selecting the music that you would like to upload to SoundCloud. This way you'll be able to upload on SoundCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.